Welcome to tonight's video on section 3.1, part 3. The first thing we're going to do is take a um, function and write it in exponential form, except we're going to make the base e, even though the base is not e in this function. So the first thing we're going to do is remember that to have the base e, it would have to be f of x equals a e to the kx. All right. Now, let x equal 0 to find out what a is. So basically, we're going to put 0 in for x right there. And notice we get negative 2/3 and then 4 to the first. Well, negative 2/3 times 4 is negative 8/3. So the function is negative 8/3 e to the kx. So now we got to figure out what k is. So what we're going to do is set these two equal to each other. So negative 2/3 times 4 to the 1 minus 2 times 1. We're going to put 1 in for x. And negative 8/3 e to the k. So this gives us negative 2/3 times 4 to the negative first, which is the same thing as negative 2/3 times 1/4, which is the same as negative 1/6. And this is equal to negative 8/3 e to the k. Come over here. And if we multiply to get rid of the fraction, so if we multiply by negative 3/8 on both sides, notice we get, that'll cancel, so 1 and 2, and negative times negative is positive, so it's 1/16 equals e to the k, because these will cancel out. Now from there, we're going to change it into a logarithm. And basically what that means is we're going to take the ln, we're going to basically say that k is equal to the ln of 1/16. So that the function is equal to negative 8/3 e to the ln of 1/16 k. So number 2, we want to write it in exponential form and see if it's growth or decay. So remember, to write it in exponential form, we're going to basically factor out the 2 here and make it x minus 1/2. And then this becomes 4 to the negative second, x minus 1/2. 4 to the negative 1 second is 1/16 times x minus 1/2. So then it becomes 1/16 x and 1/16 the negative 1/2. Remember, this means that you can do the reciprocal. So basically we want to find out what 16 to the 1/2 is. And 16 to the 1/2 is the same as the square root of 16, which is 4. So it's negative 2/3 times 4 times 1/16 to the x. And that gives you negative 8/3 times 1/16 to the x. Now, you might think this is a decay function, but if you notice, the a term is not greater than 0. So this is an exponential function. Because the a is equal to negative 8/3 and the b is 1/16. However, it's neither decay nor growth. since a is less than 0.